Should I get my carpet cleaned? According to the Carpets and Rugs Institute, your carpet should be cleaned every 12 to 18 months. Households with heavy foot traffic should clean carpets more frequently, depending on the number of occupants. Is it worth getting carpets cleaned? If you aren't sure when to call in a professional carpet cleaner in Atlanta, Georgia, here are the telltale signs that your carpet needs some cleaning. The house has a lingering smell. When spills from food, drinks, or pet urines fall on the carpet, they seep below the fibers, and if not cleaned sooner, they cause the carpets to smell. You use shoes inside the house. Walking outside, and then using the same shoes indoors deposits all types of dirt and dust from your shoes on the carpet. If you prefer wearing shoes indoors, it's important to vacuum clean the carpet at least 3 times a week, and deep clean it at least every 6 months. The carpet has discolored. When you notice that your carpet looks duller than when you bought it, it's time to clean it. Carpets discolor especially areas that receive high traffic and the edges, due to the accumulation of dirt deep down in the fibers. Stains that have set. After a spill or pet mess, most people tend to let the stain dry. Unfortunately, when you allow a stain to dry, it sets and becomes very difficult to get rid of. Here, you'll need to call in a professional. If you don't, your carpet could get damaged, and its lifespan could shorten significantly. How often should carpet be professionally cleaned? The color of your carpet. Light-colored carpets are great if you want to brighten your space. If you want to maintain bright-colored carpets, you'll need them cleaned every 6 to 12 months to prevent discoloration. Do you have allergies? To protect people with allergies, you'll need to vacuum the carpet at least once a week to dislodge loose debris that has not been embedded in the carpet fibers. Then, you can clean the carpet yourself every 2 months, and have it professionally deep cleaned every 6 to 12 months. Pet owners. Pets have dander and fur that falls on the carpet. They can also mess on the carpet, or walk on it with muddy paws. These stains, if left untreated, will lead to a dirty and smelly carpet. As a pet owner, you should aim at vacuuming about 2 times a week, and call in a professional to deep clean every 3 to 6 months. Young children. Young children love playing on a carpet. They also may urinate on them, or even spill food and drinks. Dirty carpets are also a health hazard for them. With children, aim at cleaning your carpet every 6 months, but call in a professional carpet cleaner in Atlanta, Georgia, every 12 months. What are the benefits of having your carpet cleaned? Removes stubborn stains. Wine spills, urine stains, and coffee spills are the most stubborn stains. Often, these stains won't come off with standard cleaning methods and products. Professional cleaners have special equipment and cleaning products that tackle even the toughest stains. Increase the lifespan of your carpets. The fibers of a dirty carpet often look flattened and dilapidated. Professional cleaning tackles the fibers without damaging them. After a professional deep cleaning, your carpet will look as good as new, and the fibers will feel strong to the touch. Undoubtedly, a carpet is expensive to buy, but it is relatively cheaper to maintain the one you have rather than replace it. Gets rid of foul smells. Smells often come from pet urine, food particles, and drink spills. These smells will rarely clear with normal cleaning products. Liquid spills can also lead to a problem of mold and mildew on your carpet. Professional cleaning will tackle these spills, and food particles that have settled on the carpet fibers, leaving them smelling fresh and clean for a long time. Removes allergens and other germs. Regular vacuum cleaning of carpets can pick up any allergens loosely lying on the carpet. However, a vacuum cleaner cannot tackle the dirt that has seeped deep down the carpet fibers. These can only be removed using proper equipment and products. Is it cheaper to clean or replace carpet? Buying a new carpet is a heavy investment that could cost you several thousands of dollars for a quality carpet. On the other hand, Cleaning will only see you spend between $1 to $3 per square foot, depending on the quality of your carpet and the service provider. Are you ready to clean your carpet professionally? Do you want your rugs to regain their former glory? It's time to call in a professional carpet cleaner. Our company offers the best carpet cleaning services for homes, residential buildings, and offices. We offer competitive rates to homeowners and business owners in Decatur, Marietta, Alpharetta, Dunwoody, Sandy Springs, Brookhaven, and several other areas around Atlanta. To learn more, visit our website www.gocarpetcleaningatlanta.com or call us at 678-818-5698.